Did you smile today? Hey, did you smile today? Hey, did you smile today? How you doing? Ciao. It has been 2 weeks since I put in this braid, and I'm ready to take this out, ready to pre-poo my hair, do a good shampoo, a good deep condition. And today I'm gonna be using this to pre-poo my hair. This is the aloe vera leaf. You probably heard of aloe vera gel. Well, this is the leaf that the gel comes from. This is about to be an all-natural pre-poo. I've never done this before. I'm wearing a shirt that I don't mind getting messed up. Hopefully my pillows stay good. I know I'm supposed to chop it up into squares and then cut off the spiky edges, but before I do that, I'm gonna take my hair down. As much as I would love to just cut this braid in half, I'm just gonna unbraid it because I could potentially reuse this hair. Okay, this is all the hair. I had to be really gentle as I was getting to the top. My hair is stuck together. There's a lot of gel in here. I'm trying to be as careful as possible. Again, my hair is in that low manipulation style for like 2 weeks, so I'm going to have it linked up there and in the description box below that video. So I'm about to go cut this up and then I'll be right back. All right, I am back. I split my hair up into 4 sections. I only sprayed like a little bit of water on it to loosen up the gel. Ooh, this is slipping aside. This is my aloe vera. It's all chopped up and diced up. I have 6 pieces in total, and I took each piece and cut it into halves. This is fairly easy to cut. It's as easy as like cutting a tomato, but I do want to give a disclaimer that to be careful with the knife because, you know, your hands get slimy and the knife gets slimy. Just be careful, okay? It's just so ooey gooey, and I have some paper towel on deck because this is about to get a little messy. So like always, I'm gonna start in the back. Usually I always pre-poo with conditioner, but this is the first time I'm ever using aloe vera to pre-poo. Okay, split that section in half. Let's start with this. I got my aloe vera leaf from my local market and it was $1.29. So you can find this at Walmart, I know for sure, grocery stores, and they should be no more than $2. Here it is. What I've seen online is supposed to poke some holes in it to release the juices. I'm kind of nervous, but I know this is gonna be fine. People use this on their hair, their face, and their skin. It's very conditioning and like strengthens, and just has like a bunch of nutrients and vitamins and all that natural stuff. I don't know why I'm nervous. It smells all natural. I can't really pinpoint to you guys how it smells. It kind of smells like a garden, and it kind of smells like a tomato itself, and it kind of smells like chicken. I don't know if I'm tripping, but it smells like a lot of things.
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
But it doesn't stink though. And I know that some people like to scoop out the gel and to blend this up with like oil and stuff. I'm just gonna use it by itself. Okay, just do it, Aaron, just do it. Oh, that was so slimy. Alright, let me poke some more holes in it.
I seen her waiting for a bus. Maybe just a Moncler sweater, diesel denim. Buying up with my pockets fat like ever. Neck froze like I don't know no better. Benzo truck, white seats, any level.
Alright, got some shedding. We add some water. So far I'm thinking, is this enough gel? Because my hair is pretty tangled, so I don't know. Let me take another piece, poke some holes in it. So slimy. It's kind of cold. It's supposed to be really good for your scalp as well. Did my hair get longer? Am I tripping?
Go broke never on my grind. She make it clap like I'm Busta Rhymes. I got the juicy sauce and all them things. I blammed her twice a night with all my bling. Big Benz I drive.
So far, I don't know about this, but I'm gonna speed through it.
Brought that thing. Any girl you want, they want my thing.
Alright, this is how half of my hair looks. I usually wait until the end to give my final thoughts, but I kind of want to give my final thoughts now. And this is the other half of my hair. Still dry, still not detangled at all. Out of those 6 pieces, I have these 2 pieces left, which is I cut them in half. That means I had 12 pieces, so I only have these 2 left. So out of those 10 pieces, I'm sorry if this grosses anybody out, but this is how much hair I've lost so far. So let me give my thoughts. This is how my hair looks up close. It looks pretty healthy, honestly. So the problem is I am low porosity. So low porosity is when it's kind of harder for moisture to reach into your hair strands, especially if your hair is cold. My issue is, at first I thought it was because I'm sitting next to a window, so I'm like, okay, my hair is pretty cold on this side, let me move over there. So I went over to my dining table and I realized that the aloe vera is cold as well. So even though I was spraying my hair with hot, kind of warm water, the aloe vera was still not getting into my strands. That's why my shirt's all wet, because I decided to dunk my head into some hot water to really help. And I think now my hair is starting to soak up the nutrients and the rich vitamins that the aloe vera has. In terms of slip for detangling, my roots are still very matted together because I used so much gel in my previous hairstyle, and I'm starting to realize that I might need more than 1 leaf. So I don't know if you guys can see, but while I was putting the leaf on my hair, it was like really frizzy, but as soon as I went to go like put a little bit more water on my hair, the definition started to come through. So I think that since my hair is low porosity, this will work better if you're low porosity too, to do this in the shower or in like a very warm environment. My room is kind of cold and this is kind of cold, so cold and cold plus low porosity just don't add up. I don't know if you guys can see that, but I poked the mess out of this aloe vera. Oh my gosh. And I feel like I would have gotten more use out of it if I were to blend it. So next time I try this, I do want to put it into the blender just so I can get more of the benefits. And another reason why I'd rather put this into the blender is because I don't know if it was the way I cut it, but like the edges would catch onto my strands a little bit and I didn't like that. But yeah, those are my thoughts so far. I'm gonna keep going and then rinse this all out and show you guys how my hair looks when I'm officially done.
Just got a hand wash, new wax for the old nights in the shoebox. Keep my straps, no cuss. Pull up in a new plate, and she might just. She went trying to move babe, and her eyes locked. New tints on the coupe.
I'm dripping everywhere. Oh my goodness. I think I rinsed all the aloe vera out of my hair. This is the close-up. I don't know if it's because I haven't seen my hair like for real in like 2 weeks, but it looks really thick and healthy right now. Like, look at these coils that are popping out. My hair actually feels great. It's not like condition, like I just did a deep condition, but it's conditioned as in it's not dry. It actually feels pretty good. This is all the aloe vera. It's not as plump as it was before. It's pretty flat now. I try to get as many juices out of it as possible. Next time I do want to put it in the blender and probably with like some oil or something, because the slip wasn't as slippery as I thought it would be. The slip was decent. Compared to a conditioner, it was decent. I'm going to tell you guys the pros and cons real quick. Being low porosity isn't necessarily a con. It's just something I have to deal with. But another con would be how like the tips of it did pull out my hair a little bit. And another con would be, I don't know, the smell isn't that pleasant. There wasn't as much slip, as in I would not detangle with a comb or a brush with this. I had to use my fingers. That's not necessarily a con. I think I just want to have it sit in my hair and have my hair soak up those nutrients. And if I add an oil to it, then it'll soak up that oil as well. Moisturizing oils, not sealing oils. But the pros are the nutrients that my hair is getting. My hair looks pretty doggone healthy. Another pro was rubbing it on my scalp. I liked having cold aloe vera on my scalp. That did feel nice. Will I do this again? Yeah, it's $1.30. I want to reap all the benefits. Probably blending it would be the best way. Look at my curls and coils and kinks and all that. I think my hair looks so good. Oh my gosh. If you want to have a video on how to know if your hair is low porosity, I can let you guys know. One of the biggest signs is this. See how the water is just sitting on top of my hair, all these water droplets? If you were high porosity, this water would have been soaked into your hair and your hair probably would have been dry by now. But because I'm low porosity, the water isn't getting into my hair. My hair actually feels cold to the touch. But I hope that you guys like this video. Give it a thumbs up, a like, comment down below, subscribe, and I'll catch you guys in my next video. Bye.